How's it going? Happy Friday the 25th. Alright, early video today. Finished up early, might as well knock out a video. I've been juggling some other work and a little bit of trading, but now it's time to focus on other work. Still a great day. You'll see me bounce from one account to my other account. Just kind of spread the love in my accounts. And yeah, it's a really good day. Let's get into it. Alright, so we will immediately start off by noticing I'm trading the ES. The Nasdaq Dom was just absolutely insane today. So I needed something that I could read a little bit better. I started out real patient this morning. So ES had to move down. Hit this 42.90 level, bounced up real strong. Now we're going to look for weakness up here in a pullback. We're at the top of this volume profile here by the volume point of control. So watch the Dom with me and watch the tape, and let's see if we can see weakness and why I enter going short. Have some large orders on the offer sitting there, and we start pushing down. See that 495? We're hoping that's real. 530. That means business right there. So that could always be pulled, could always be fake, but I'm thinking that that's pretty good. It's working in my direction. They're steadily pushing it down. As you see, the ES isn't as wild as the Nasdaq. All right, moves down to a level that I was targeting, and I get out. Then it pushes just a little bit more, but that's all right. It's okay to not capture the whole move. And as you see, we're testing the other side of the volume profile. Yeah, I think this continues down. It did. All right. So now for the next trade that we're going to look at, we had a push down pretty much below open, and then another push up kind of by highs. Just being patient, not trying to trade in a congested area, but now I'm looking for, some weakness to show. Trying to get short, see if we can make new lows. So we had a lot of block sells. Delta's coming down. We have this bearish candle. We have the sellers starting to get aggressive, starting to hit into the bids with some size. Yeah, the ES is much slower, which is a good thing. You see, they're still holding 42.98. Can't get through it yet, so keeping it tight. There's the volume. Smash through that level there. So we're not really getting too far, and my target is really just this support. Okay. Trying to let it trail. Maybe it can pick up more momentum, but ultimately this is where I wanted to get out. Trail it up. This is looking weak now for the shorts. Just take the profits and run. Trying to chase a little bit there for maybe another push down. Thought maybe I got out too early since it's still going down. You never know if this thing could just drop out. Realizing that it's pretty extended down, I'm putting in like a little profit target there. Like, all right, just maybe I messed up. I'll get out there. It's looking real bad for the shorts here. It's looking like a prime reversal spot. So I probably should have tried along there, but shorts are still working. Yeah, there we go. Shorts are still working, and I just get out. So, I mean, I think as all this was developing, I still saw the selling momentum, the big orders coming through. We had big sell block orders, Delta's falling out. So that's probably why I tried shorting there and getting back in. But really, this is kind of extended, and it's not moving. that far. Right around here, I think, is where I would look for a mouse. All right, this is where I jump to my other account, try to spread the love a little bit. I did some scalps, earlier in this, but nothing too crazy, just 100, 200 bucks here and there. And then for this trade, if this is the one that I think, yep, okay, I sped this up 4 times. This I successfully held. I successfully held for longer than 10 seconds. This is about a 9-minute trade. Yeah, so I get in and I'm looking for it to make a new high and bust through all these stops and just take a profit there. And we get real close. I was aiming too far. Now it's getting stuck. And then, so at this point, something came up and I had to walk away from the computer. So yeah, I mean, this is just gonna be luck. I put my stop in. I had to walk away from the computer. So we're gonna watch this together. Maybe that is the key for me to hold my trades longer, is to not be present. Yeah, it's walking up real steady now. That looks good. Wow, yeah, that's a really, really nice push up. That's where I would take profits. That would have been a decent trade, but like I said, I stepped away and I'm just letting this thing work. I guess that's what I have to do, because it does end up going higher than that. So strong retracement on the move is about 50%. Looks like it only got to about 30, 35% there. Now it's just going sideways. Oh, also, I don't really show auction vista too much. That's because it's impossible to look at on the NASDAQ because it's just up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. But let me just orient you to auction vista real fast, real fast. So here you have basically iceberg orders of size. So you'll see this iceberg order was mostly selling. So what you could do with that is if you see this and then price starts moving up here, you have trap sellers who will probably cover and then just help the price go up even more, or they're going to try to defend it. So also, the brighter the color for these lines here, the bigger the orders are that are sitting there. We have this vertical line here. These are the current orders. So if you see like white, 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 and then it's gone, then that order is gone. But even more so, like up here, as price was approaching here, then they started pulling the orders, something like that. So these could all be pulled at any time. The longer they're on there, the bigger they are, the brighter the color. So it's pretty cool. So on the ES, Auction Vista works out really good. On the NASDAQ, you're not going to be able to see it. It's just going to be all over the place. But pick your product. So right there, you see that 1,000. Gosh, thousands right there. They're gonna pull that. So see that white as we get close. Oh, they hit into it at 547. Still 500. Doesn't go back up to 1,000. Just yeah. Look, the buyers aren't giving up. They're like, okay, you're gonna throw 1,000 out there. We're taking it. We are taking it. Starts moving back up. You see, with that, there was buying iceberg orders. So that's how they got through the size that quickly. That's why Jigsaw is so awesome. All right, now you got the selling iceberg orders coming in here. I'm back at the seat right in time, and I take profits. Really good trade. That's awesome. If I was sitting at the computer, I don't think I would have been able to hold like that, but beautiful moves up. And now you guys get to see Auction Vista, which is another amazing tool from Jigsaw, where you'll see. Oh yeah, and it correlates with where the price is. So as the DOM's moving up and down, you're seeing this chart here. You could tweak all your settings on top. It shows iceberg orders, very valuable. You could also do like a heated version of this where it'll be like red, blue, and whatnot. Yeah, so awesome. Oh, I forgot to get a picture of my P&L, but whatever. Don't focus on the P&L. It was a really good day. You could piece together these trades. Um, Stay focused on the process. Don't focus on the money. Um, if I wasn't making videos and nobody was watching this, I would probably have my P&L off. It's distracting. You do better without looking at it. But yeah, it's Friday. Great day. Um, I think I think I did better. Well, no, this is a really good day, almost as good as yesterday. So it's gonna be a really good weekend. I'm gonna start celebrating here pretty soon. Um, it's been a good reviewing the videos. So as you see with Jigsaw, it is so valuable. You have the auction vista, the DOM. It's an amazing tool. Um, you do have to pay for it though, but if you check out in the description, I got $100 off on that coupon, so take advantage of that. It'll work for like all the products. Yeah, so check it out. Like and subscribe. Hopefully this weekend I won't be too busy. I'll get a chart video out. Guess we could do an auction vista video. Yeah. Have a good weekend. See you next time.